Me a say trend pon them. Them a start and me gone left them. Me just a bill and a laugh with them. Gonna tease them. Me know say a crawfish them. Me a say trend pon them. Them a start and me gone left them. Me just a bill and a laugh with them. Gonna tease them. Me know say a crawfish them. Alright now, step on the scene. Quit my 9 to 5.
What up, vlog world? You don't know it's a girl, Melika Skylife in the building. Like bright in my eye. Hi, Skylife. King Skylife. How are you them?
Much for you, that too. What's up?
Karina, oh, Mr. Waki say. Yo, so we're clean like a
Yabalish.
Yabalish. So we're on our way to a match in Montego Bay. At the stadium. We're kind of late. No, well, we always are real late. But I'm showing you the outfit of the day. Well, I really like now. Go.
Outfit of the day. Bam. Nerd glasses. Yeah. Yeah. Bam. Yeah.
Come on.
Bam. That skin outfit of the day. Do me. Outfit of the day. Bam.
Clean. So, on the road, going to meet the drive.
Turn off the camera.
We're going to meet the drive and stuff. So, we will tune in back to you guys when we are there. Okay? Wow. So guys, we're walking to the location. Where's the kid? Where's it? Oh. Kin right there. Punky friend right there. I don't know her name. Punky. We don't know if we can get to go in because the place is packed. Stuff. I almost grandstand would have full King Punky instead of bleacher. What that? The too hype.
How many to take care?
Let me see it. Yo. Put it inside. Put it inside. What is it? Where is it? Say to the vlog. Hey Skylife.
Hi.
How you doing? Guys, I wanted to say something to you, right? Me?
No, me.
Kin. Take a kin.
What?
Guys, never let someone define who you are. Okay? Know who you are and stand for who you are. Peace. Anyways, I don't know if y'all get to go through. I'm tired, so we're gonna try and get in. So we link you when we inside. We are walking on now. What? You good? Shit, I walk going on now. We're trying to go and go catch it. Let's go again. Clean man. Yes. Sorry for them. We're trying to go in. We're trying to get to the entrance. Place park. And stuff. So much hype. Bad.
By the time to go in there, so the match must done.
Can't go over.
We can't go in.
The pepper spray that they got there some here.
Them a pepper spray people there?
Because them are trying to jump the fence.
So I'm to line. And run a gun stand empty.
Why
And
can
if
no
you run a gun
exercise?
stand and like pay difference.
We can't do that.
No, no.
Alright bro, no climb up to you now bro.
That's what I say. Now walk in the mud.
Imagine if you are so full. Imagine over there.
But run a grandstand part empty. You blind? That means it's funny. Boy, the struggle is real. And that me I say too. Anyway guys, I'm signing out right now. Anyways guys, we're inside now and stuff. But we don't know where we are gonna go anyways. We're trying to find somewhere where we can see or something. Watch my teacher. Accounting teacher that we tell about. Watch him. See me? Guys, get roast and make sign up. Where's the flag of yours? Oh, the flag! Oh! What you doing? Bungie. Over here, shot that you know, you see something that's car? Tell me some song this. What yo?
Big up DJ Johnny T. Big up DJ Johnny T.
Yeah, I'm telling myself. Turn down for what? Stay in love sometime. They just will be a mobile.
You can't feel it when listening to them. You feel it, yes?
We are asking the supporters. The supporters. I want something.
Hold me phone to me, put it in your bag. If you're not showing no progress, what you saying? No come from, that's the place where me grow. The moment me open my eyes, the people will know. Yo, I know what them not really want to make it in my life. And then me start on the drama. Big up Skylife TV. Yeah, that's our king. Shaliam. Yeah.
Could that please come?
So guys,
Where we are go?
the vlog basically ends here. We're going home. Let's wait for the drive. So we can come around and stuff away. So guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and show the love. Leave a comment below and tell me what you know. Out. That sounds good. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think.
So guys, with the Burger King now, I just want some food. Well, me done mine already. We have punky right here. We have kin right there. We have tea right there.
Yeah,
Tea.
bro, yeah,
So it's kind of like baby.
yeah.
I'm tearing up. So guys, you know, go and keep it jiggy. I don't know. It's a girl. I might thought that you don't know. It's a girl, Melly. What's up?
The cheese makes a difference.
Them lips down.
Them lips down.
Please guys, please comment below of any videos you want us to do.
And remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe. Tell them. Subscribe. Tell them. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Bye.
Mr. Auntie, I do it.
Thank you so much for stopping by Melika Sky Life TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.